Hello and welcome to Best of Tutorials. My name is Amar, and in today's video I will show you how to install Windows 10 on a PC. Now in my previous video I created a bootable Windows 10 on this USB drive. I will leave the link for that in the description below. You will need that to create your bootable USB drive that has the operating system you're going to install. Also, in another previous video, I changed the mechanical drive on this computer to a solid state drive, and today I want to install the operating system on it. So first what I will do, I'll plug the USB to the USB port here, and I already connected the computer to a keyboard and to the monitor here. So what I'll do here, I'll just boot it up. You might need to go to the BIOS to change the first boot device or to enable boot from USB, but in my case this drive is blank. It's a brand new solid state, so I don't need to do this step. So now it will boot from USB if it's enabled. Okay, now it's booting Windows 10. Alright, so now it gives me here some options, language to install, and the time and currency and keyboard. I'll leave this default. I'll hit next, and now we need to hit install now. Okay, so in my previous video, when I made my USB bootable drive, I showed how to add a file to change how this behavior here, because by default it will install whatever operating system that was originally installed on this PC. But once I change that and I add that file, it gives me the option to pick up which one I want. So in this case, this is going to be used for business, so I'll use the Pro so I can join it to a domain. Hit next. Okay, you have to accept the agreement, of course, and hit next. So now it gives me two options, one to upgrade and install and keep files. In this case you'll have to have your older operating system installed. I don't have that, so I will go with the custom install Windows only or advanced. And here it found my new hard drive, and you see it's unallocated. You can create a new and partition it, but in my case I don't need to partition. Sometimes you might need to partition it so you can put the operating system on one drive, you put your files on another drive. Could be for other reasons, but not for this case. I'll just go next, and now it will start copying and getting files ready, installing features, installing updates, and then it will finish. Shouldn't take long because it's a solid state drive and I have fast internet here. You can skip this part if you want faster. it's installing updates. And finishing up. Now it will restart, or you can hit this to restart. I will unplug my USB drive. We're done with it. Getting ready. And just restarting one more time. Okay, now you select your language or region. Just put it, leave it by default here, and leave the keyboard. We don't need any extra keyboards. Okay, so it says Ethernet not connected for some reason. I thought I did connect it. Oh, forgot to connect it. Sorry about that. I will connect it. Okay, now it's got my internet. This is connected. Next. Okay, so now you have two options, one set up for personal use, one set up for organization. Because I'm going to connect it to a domain network, I will use set for organization. If you're doing it for home or something, you can do set for personal use, so I'll do this one. Now it gives me this option, sign in with Microsoft. I don't want to do this one, but if you do have this and it's your personal one, you can put it here. There is this option here, join domain join instead. I'll hit that. Now it gives me the option to use this PC, so I'm just going to use some information here. Okay, and it asks me to put a password and retype the password. Next. Now security questions, I just usually just type something here. This is good if you want to remember your password. and I like to turn off every option here. Hit accept, and I don't need this. Activity history, not now. And we'll just create my profile. Perfect, now we're in. So the first thing I would like to do here is to do the updates. Check for updates. This will take a while. Now in this video I just wanted to show you how to install the Windows. In my next videos I will show you how to do many things with Windows. I'll show you how to install different versions of Windows or different operating systems like Linux or other things. We'll talk about some security related things. We'll talk about more topics. If you do have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment sections below. Also, if you do have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. Please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends if it was helpful, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified when we post a new video. Thank you for watching.